Here's a new twist on an old favorite. Remember those braided friendship bracelets? Well, they are so last year. Why not upcraft an old t-shirt and a few sparkles into this year's latest trend in friendship bracelets? You'll need old t-shirts, gemstones, fabric glue, scissors or your Kai rotary cutter, and a cutting mat. First, cut strips of the t-shirt material about 12 inches long and a ½ inch wide. Glue the gems in the center of the fabric band. Now get creative with your color and placement. And don't worry, the fabric glue dries clear. And using your rotary cutter, cut fringes into both ends of the band. Using your Kai rotary cutter makes it such a simple job. It's got 2 speeds, heavy duty and for lightweight fabrics, like this. It's got a great grip, and it works smooth every time. Tie it around your best friend's wrist, and there you have it, an updated version of a friendship bracelet. These trendy, upcrafted friendship bracelets are so much fun. They're so easy to do. Your kids are gonna love them. You're gonna wear them. Even your husband's gonna want one. I mean, everyone's gonna want to be your friend.